Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about type of carbon and hydrogen. There are four type of carbons. One is a primary carbon and second one is a secondary carbon, third one is a tertiary carbon and fourth one is a quaternary carbon. Okay, very simple, one by one I will explain. Primary carbon means the carbon atom which is directly attached with one other carbon atom. Okay, means one carbon only should attach with a one more carbon atom, means that carbon what we call primary carbon. By taking example I will explain. See, in this first example there are two carbon. Okay now here this carbon is directly attached with the only one carbon atom, means to this carbon adjacent only one carbon is there, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Now here this carbon, to this carbon adjacent only one carbon atom is present, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. It means the carbon it is directly attached with only one carbon, means that carbon what we call primary carbon. Now in this second example, see here two carbons are there. Okay, among two carbons, see this carbon we call it as a primary carbon. Okay, how means, see this carbon, to this carbon adjacent only one carbon is there. It means this carbon directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call this carbon primary carbon. Now here this carbon also same, this carbon adjacent to this carbon only one carbon. Okay, now adjacent to this carbon here one nitrogen is there, but what we want carbon only. Okay, now adjacent to this carbon only one carbon is present, means this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Now here in this example also two carbon. Okay now, and we have to find this is a what type of carbon. Now see here this carbon directly attached with the only one carbon, so what we call this one primary carbon. Now here this carbon directly attached with only one carbon and this carbon directly attached with the two oxygen, but what we want, only we want carbons, so this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Okay, now next one is a secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means what, the carbon atom which is directly attached with two other carbon atom, means the carbon atom should directly attach with two other carbon atoms. Okay now, by taking example I will explain. See in this example there are three carbon atoms. Okay now we will find this carbon is a what type of carbon and this carbon is a what type of carbon and this carbon is a what type of carbon. Now first see this carbon. Okay now this carbon is directly attached with how many carbon, only one carbon. Okay now this carbon is directly making bond with this carbon, means directly attached with only one carbon, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Okay now next this carbon directly attached with only one carbon, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Now see this carbon is directly attached with how many carbon, see this is a one carbon and this is a one more carbon, means this central carbon directly attached with a two more carbon, so this carbon what we call secondary carbon. Understood? Now in this example here also there are three carbons. Okay now this carbon is directly attached with one carbon and here one carbon, so this carbon is directly attached with how many carbon, two carbon, so this carbon what we call secondary carbon. Okay, now here this one directly attached with a two carbon, so this carbon what we call secondary carbon. Similarly this one also, this is directly attached with here one carbon and here one carbon, so this carbon what we call secondary carbon. Understood? Now in this example see here this one what we call benzene ring. Okay now here this is one carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Okay now here this point indicates carbon. Total in this benzene ring 6 carbon atoms are there. Okay now this one let's consider first carbon, second, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Okay now first carbon is directly attached with two more carbon, see sixth carbon and second carbon, means this first carbon directly making bond with the two carbon, so this carbon what we call secondary carbon. Okay na, secondary carbon. Why? Because this first carbon making bond with the two more carbon. Now here also second carbon directly making bond with the first carbon and directly making bond with the third carbon. So this second carbon what we call secondary carbon. Okay now here third carbon also, it is making directly bond with the two more carbon. Okay so means third carbon to the third carbon adjacent how many carbons are there? Two carbon. Okay so this third carbon also what we call secondary carbon. Similarly here fourth carbon also directly attached with the two more carbon, that is third carbon and fifth carbon. So fourth carbon what we call secondary carbon. Okay now similarly fifth carbon is also attached with the two more carbon, so this one also secondary carbon. And the sixth one also making a directly bond with the first carbon and a fifth carbon, so this one also what we call secondary carbon. Understood? Now next tertiary carbon. Tertiary means what? The carbon atom which is directly attached with the three other carbon atom, means one carbon atom should directly attach with the other three carbon atom, so that one what we call tertiary carbon atom. Okay now here example, see the central carbon atom directly attached with the one carbon, second carbon and third carbon, means this carbon directly attached with the 1 2 3, so this central carbon what we call tertiary carbon. Okay now tertiary means what? The carbon atom which is directly attached with the three other carbon atom. This central carbon directly attached with the one carbon, two carbon, three carbon, so this one what we call tertiary. Now similarly this one what we call, what type of carbon, means this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so this carbon what we call primary carbon. Now this one, this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call this one primary. Now this carbon directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call primary. Now in this example see this point indicates carbons. Okay now here this one what we call, see let's consider this is a first carbon, this is a second carbon, this is a third carbon, this is a fourth carbon. Okay now let's C1 carbon, C2 carbon, C3 carbon and C4 carbon. C1 carbon is a primary, secondary, tertiary or quaternary, that one we have to find. Correct? How we have to find means C1 carbon directly attached with the how many carbon, that one we have to see. C1 carbon directly attached with the only one carbon, so that C1 carbon what we call primary carbon. Okay na C2 carbon, see this one central one, C2 carbon directly making bond with one carbon, two carbon, three carbon, so C2 carbon directly attached with the three carbon, so that one what we call tertiary carbon. And this third carbon directly attached with how many carbon? This one second carbon and fourth carbon, so third carbon C3 carbon what we call secondary. Fourth carbon, here this fourth carbon directly attached with the C2 and C3, so this fourth carbon what we call, this one also secondary. Understood? Here in this example there are two secondary carbon and one tertiary carbon and one primary carbon. Okay na, and the last one is quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon means what? This is also very simple, the carbon atom which is directly attached with four other carbon atom, means the central, the one carbon should attach with the directly attached with the four other carbon atom, that one what we call quaternary carbon atom. Okay na, here example, see this is a central carbon. Okay na, this carbon is directly attached with the 1 2 3 4, so this central carbon what we call quaternary carbon atom. Okay na, this carbon, see this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call this one primary. This carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call this one primary carbon atom. And this carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call again this one primary. And this carbon directly attached with only one carbon, so what we call this one again primary. Means in this example there are four primary carbon atom. Okay na, there are four primary carbon atom and only one quaternary carbon atom. Understood? Primary carbon atom means that carbon atom should attach with only one carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom means that carbon atom directly attached with a two carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom means the carbon atom that directly attached with a three carbon atom. Quaternary carbon means the carbon atom which is directly attached with a four carbon atom. Okay now. Next, this is very important. Super primary or a 0 degree carbon atom means the carbon which is not directly attached with any other carbon atom. That carbon what we call super primary carbon atom or 0 degree carbon atom means the carbon atom it should not attach with any other carbon atom. For example, see here only one carbon atom and this carbon atom is not attached with any other carbon atom. So this one what we call 0 degree carbon atom. Okay now. Now here in this example, two carbon atoms are there, correct? And this one consider first carbon, this is a second carbon. Now, this carbon atom is not directly attached with the one more carbon atom. This carbon is directly attached with the oxygen, not a carbon. So, this carbon what we call 0 degree or super primary carbon atom. Okay, na? Now, this one also directly attached with the oxygen, not a carbon. So this one what we call super primary carbon atom. Okay na? Now here in this example, see this carbon atom directly attached with the nitrogen, not a carbon. So this carbon what we call 0 degree or super primary carbon atom. Understood? Now here next one is a type of hydrogens. This is very important and very easy also. Type of hydrogen means, see there are again four types. Primary hydrogen means what? The hydrogen atom. Primary hydrogen means hydrogen atom directly attached with primary carbon. Secondary hydrogen means the hydrogen atom directly attached with secondary carbon. Tertiary hydrogen means the hydrogen atom directly attached with tertiary carbon. Okay now next last one is quaternary hydrogen, not possible. Why? Because quaternary carbon does not attach with any hydrogen. If there is no hydrogen means no hydrogen attached to carbon means quaternary hydrogens are not possible. Okay now next.